Welcome back, viewers, to our channel, Variable. Today, we are launching our first new series, a comprehensive guide to Java programming. Videos might take time to get uploaded, but it will be worth it. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of Java with us. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know about Java, starting from the very basics like installation. But the question arises, why should we learn Java? Java currently holds a prominent position in the market, ranking among the top 3 programming languages. Its widespread adoption is a testament to its versatility and value in the industry. One of the key factors contributing to Java's success is its platform independence. Java programs can run on various operating systems without requiring significant modifications, making it highly portable and adaptable. Another significant advantage of learning Java is the vast community support available. If you encounter any challenges or need assistance, platforms like Stack Overflow provide a wealth of resources and solutions from experienced developers. When it comes to programming languages, they can generally be categorized into 3 types. Those that are easy to learn, like Python, those that are more challenging, like C++, and then there's Java, which strikes a balance between the two. Starting with a language like Python may seem easier at first, but if you limit yourself to only one language, you may encounter difficulties when trying to learn another language in the future. In this series, we have carefully structured the content to ensure a smooth learning experience. So let's take a quick look at what we'll be covering. First up, we'll delve into Java architecture. We'll explore topics like the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, the Java Development Kit, JDK, and the Java Runtime Environment, JRE. Then we will explore important data structures like strings and arrays. You'll learn how to manipulate and work with these data structures effectively in Java. Now, it's time to level up our skills with object-oriented programming, also known as OOPs. This part of the series will be more detailed than you think. In the real world, errors and exceptions are inevitable. That's why we'll dedicate a section of the series to exception handling, wrapper class, collection, and many more. But why are we creating this series? We wanted to create a Java learning series that not only covers the fundamentals, but also provides practical insights and real-world examples. Our aim is to make Java learning accessible and enjoyable for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer looking to expand your skill set. We believe that learning programming should be engaging and interactive. That's why our series includes hands-on exercises, coding challenges, and plenty of opportunities for you to apply what you've learned. We want you to feel confident and ready to tackle real-world programming tasks. We'll be providing assignments and exercises for you to complete. These assignments will be accessible through a Google form, where you can submit your answers and get instant feedback on your performance. But that's not all. We also value your feedback and input. To make it easier for you to follow along, we will provide a link to download the video presentation PDF. This way, you can review the slides and refer back to them whenever you need to revise a particular topic. Additionally, we understand that taking notes while watching the videos can be challenging. That's why we'll provide you with detailed notes for each episode. These notes will summarize the key points, provide additional examples, and serve as a valuable resource for your further learning. We want to ensure that your learning experience goes beyond just watching videos. We want you to actively engage with the content, practice your skills, and have access to supplementary materials that will help you consolidate your knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this incredible learning journey. We're committed to providing you with the best possible resources to help you master Java programming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our Java learning series.